Hi boys and girls, I'm back! Alrighty, so in this video, as you can see by the title, we are going to be learning how to make our own Venn diagram. Woohoo! Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. I don't know if you can even see. This is going to be our final product. It might be a little backwards actually. This is going to be our final product. So before you continue along with this video, I'm going to tell you what you need. First thing, of course, you're going to need is a piece of paper because we are going to be creating our own Venn diagrams. We're not going to be doing them on the computer. We're doing this with paper and pencil. We're going old school today because I think we need to get off the computers a little bit and use our hands. So, piece of paper, first thing you need. Next thing you need is a pencil. Now, I don't want to see anyone using crayons. I know it's going to be, and that's kind of annoying, but we're 4th graders, and I know that good readers and writers use their pencils, and I actually have a cute little fun one. Mine has bananas on it. Alrighty, so paper, pencil, no crayons, no markers, just pencil. Alright, and then last but not least, our last item that we need is something round, and you can get very creative with this. I actually have this really big candle that I have, and I love the smell of it. But we are going to be using it today I'm going to be using it today to show you how to create your Venn diagram. So you could get a candle, a cup maybe your shampoo or conditioner bottle is round, but you want something large enough where you could create big circles. Or if you don't have something large enough, use whatever you have, and maybe you're just going to have to write small, but anything works that you're able to create your own Venn diagram. Okay, so now that we have all of our materials together, let's get drawing our own Venn diagram. Okay, so first thing we want to do is get our materials together. So I'm first going to grab my piece of paper, and then I'm going to get my pencil. Got my pencil. Okay, so we're trying to get our Venn diagram to look like this. This is our final product. Alrighty, so I have everything. Now I need to get my object that is round. So I have my candle here with me. You may have something else, which is fine. So I have my round object. Now on one side of the paper, I'm going to do it on the left first. Okay. We are going to be creating our first circle. So I'm going to take the object and I'm just going to trace around it at the bottom and go all the way around just to ensure that I made a full circle. I could even overlap if I want. Okay, now I don't have an eraser with me right now, so you actually if you want to have an eraser too, that'd be a good idea, because I have like some little stray lines I may want to erase. Which you can if you want. Alrighty. Next step is to create our next circle, because a Venn diagram has 2 overlapping circles. So I have one. Take my candle again, and I'm going to place it halfway over my other circle. Halfway. So you gotta eye it out, estimate what you think is half, and I'm gonna hold it down, and then again, I'm gonna trace it at the bottom of my round object to make my circle, because I want to overlap halfway, so I know that I have a big enough space in the middle to write down my similarities right here. Okay, so there you go. That is steps of making the circles for our Venn diagram. Now, specifically for what we're doing, we are going to be comparing and contrasting Samar's experience to Maeve's experience. So on one side for the differences, I'm going to put Maeve's experience right here. So I'm going to write Maeve's experience. This is one category. On this side, this is the differences over here that we're doing right now. So Maeve's experience, and then we are also talking about Samar's experience. Samar's experience in the hometown, her experience with Red, the relationship with Red and other animals too. Okay, so Maeve experience and Mars experience. Now that we have our 2 categories, if you want, you could also give it a title. I'm just going to call it Wishtree Venn Diagram. You don't have to add the title if you don't want to. I'm giving it a title just so you could see. And this is our final result. Okay, and that's how you create a Venn diagram, your own Venn diagram. Congratulations, you all. You've made it to this part of the video, so that means you all should be able to successfully make your own Venn diagram. Alrighty, so for the activity for the read aloud, you're going to create your own Venn diagram, of course, and you're going to fill it out, but I want at least 3 things in each category. So that means I want 3 for Maeve's experience, 3 for Samar's experience, and 3 for the similarities. And of course you could do more than 3, but I want at least 3. So if you need to go back into the read aloud video to listen for those hints, by all means do that. Then you're going to take a picture of your Venn diagram, all filled out, all looking nice and full and pretty, and you're going to open up the Google Slides that is on Google Classroom. It's your own Google Slides, so you're just going to take a picture of your Venn diagram on there, upload it, and finally submit it. Okay. Great job, you guys. I look forward to seeing all of your Venn diagrams. Good luck!